Good morning mga ka-students! Today is my first day of school. I absent the first day of school. Pero it was important because I'm going to go to PTU. Today is Friday, PE day. I skipped the whole week. So maghintay lang ako ng service ko. Actually, si Tita Joanne yan. Yung mama ni Ethan. So thank you, Tita Joanne. Today is a beautiful day. And I saw the dog. Oh, I love it. I love my tree. It's pretty. Hello everyone! Today, bibili ako ng school supplies. First is ThinkPad. Yeah.
Sa kay teacher, ito yung pangbibigay kay teacher.
Ma, let's go. Tapos na kami bumuli.